everyone. In this video I'd like to show you how you can export data from IntelliBoard.net dashboard. Now there's two places you can export data from. The first is the widgets and the second is the reports. Now in every widget on the top right hand corner you'll see some lines. You click on it and you can see some options here. Now the first way to export data from any widget is to schedule it. So you can click on schedule and you see where it's coming from, which is the email that you signed up with, and the name of the widget, and the period at which you'd like to schedule it, the frequency, and in what version, .csv, .pdf, or Excel. You click save and it will schedule the report to be sent at that time. The next way to export your data is you can share it, you can embed it. You have a variety of options here: small, large, custom. Now this is good for if you have a school website and you want to embed the data into one of your website pages. The next thing you can do is you can just send it as an image. You can see how that works. Or you can share it in an email, which will be sent at this very moment when you click send. Again, it has the email address that you signed up with or you're signed in with. It has the name of the widget. You can type a message to yourself, select the format that you want the data to be sent in, and click send. Now you can also export the data just by clicking on PDF, Excel, or CSV, and it'll generate a report that'll go typically to your desktop. And that is it for the widgets. That's quite a few ways to export your data. Next, we'll go to reports. So I'm just going to pick a random report here, student performance. In this case, we selected our date range first. In this case, we'll just select a year and click close. All the data here will be updated based on that date range. Takes a second. Now we're going to select our course. I'm just going to choose one of the first ones. Now you can see all the data here. You can see the student name, the progress, the letter grade that they received so far, completed number of activities, their actual score, the number of visits, if it's turned on or not. In this case it doesn't look like it's turned on, and the amount of time spent on this course. It doesn't look like this feature is turned on inside of this particular instance. Over to the right you see the class performance overall. It's calculated based on letter grade, so you can see the number of failures so far. It looks like about 15. The number of A's, number of A minuses, B plus, and C plus. Now you want to export this data. So what you can do, there's several different options. You can email it to yourself. Just click on email, and the email that's up here is what you signed in with, the name of the report. Send yourself a message or type a message here, and you can select the format in which you want to see the report sent and click send. Now you can also schedule it. By default, the email that you signed in with is here. The name of the report is here. The period, select day, week, month, or a year. Select the frequency, one time, daily, weekly, monthly, or every year. And you select the format in which you want to send the attachment. And hit save, and it will send this report based on those preferences. The other way to export this data is to copy. When you click copy, you can paste this wherever you want to, into a document, to an Excel file, wherever you want to. Or you can click .csv, Excel, or PDF and it will automatically generate a report in that format. Click print, it'll send it to your printer. And that's how you can export your data.